So today I'm going to be showing you how to read a crochet graph, something like this. We're going to start with something simple and then eventually you'll be able to crochet something like this, which is far more complicated and so much fun. It's amazing what you can do with graphs. To download your free copy of this graph, grab your supplies. So you need some yarn bobbins, 3 in the background colour, 1 in the motif colour, your crochet hook, your scissors and a pen, and come back then. So let's start with the graph. Traditionally, corner to corner graphs start in the bottom right hand corner and finish in the top left hand corner. This is why the numbers move away from the first corner and towards the second corner. A graph is so easy to read, and this is how you do it. So for row 1, and as it's corner to corner, we're going to be working diagonally. You simply draw a line going diagonally across your box and put a downward arrow. So this is row 1, and it is 1, and I'm going to call this background colour A. Next, we're going to be having row 2. And as with a normal project where you go backwards and forwards, with a corner to corner, you still go backwards and forwards, just in a diagonal fashion. So this time you're going to draw across the 2 boxes that join the 2s for row 2, but this time you're going to be going in this direction. So this time you're going to have 2A. For row 3, you've guessed it, we're going to be going back down the other way for 3 boxes, and we're going in this direction, and it is 3A. Now I'm going to keep going until we get to another colour and show you what to do then. So excusing my terrible handwriting, as you can see, I have now done the first 6 rows and they are all colour A. This is where it gets more interesting. Please excuse my handwriting, I promise it's not normally this bad. We're going to be going through these 7 squares for row 7, and we are going in a downward direction. So we start row 7 with 1 background colour box. We then have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the next colour, which is the motif colour, and I'm just going to call it B. And then we have 1 of the background colour box at the end. And it's that simple. So keep going through, oh gosh, my handwriting really is getting terrible, your entire graph, going up and down the rows, counting how many boxes you have in each colour. Now, this is a very simple graph. It only involves 2 colours. As you get more experienced, you'll be able to read graphs with many more colours, many more colour changes, and you won't need to draw your lines on every time. You will simply be able to count the number of boxes going up and down. So as you can see, I have now written out the instructions for every single row in this graph, and I am ready to begin crocheting. If you'd like to watch a video on how to change colours when you're doing the corner to corner graph, then please check out this video here. Happy crocheting!